I'm Dan Maloney, one of the instructors at GoFly Aviation, and today we're flying with Anna, conducting a hopefully third solo check.
So yesterday I had my first solo circuit. It was a great experience. There were a few nerves, a lot of excitement as well, but overall the circuit did go quite well. I did feel as though I'd been trained and equipped with all the knowledge I needed to complete that solo circuit to, the best of my ability.
Parking brake is off, undercarriage is fixed, lane A and B are on, fuel pumps are on, fuel is sufficient on the fullest tank, instruments are all looking in the green, switches are all on, and harness and hatches are secure.
Yeah, so the main thing is make sure you use your trim.
Yeah.
And add some power if we are getting a bit shallow. Yeah, just add some power.
Yeah.
88-28. Keep as close to 70 knots as you can. Just that really nice hold off you did then. It was brilliant. When you lower flap, use your trim. They go one and together. If you change the configuration of the wing, you need to retrim the aircraft.
Ideally, we'll try and get a solo check, build more confidence, and we'll get that done early on.
Today was obviously a great learning experience, developing some new skills in crosswinds and conditions that aren't always ideal. And I'm looking forward to next week, hopefully getting to pass that third solo check.